Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So do you have a problem with your workout clothes smelling even after they're clean? Well, the problem is that we really need to deep clean those clothes because with all the odors, dirt, bacteria that you put into your clothes while you're sweating and you're working out and things like that, there's a couple different things you need to do to make sure that you don't have that problem where you put on that new shirt, you sweat just a little bit and it smells really bad. It smells like dirty cloth or something along those lines. So we want to deep clean those workout clothes, and to do that we're going to pre-soak them. But the first thing you can do before you actually pre-soak them is when you're done working out, don't throw them in the bottom of a basket, sweaty, nasty, because it's going to breed that bacteria. It's going to basically smell and get that dirt trapped in there, the oil from your skin, and that sort of thing gets trapped in the fabric as well. So it happens a lot more when you actually have been laundering your clothes a lot, and the laundry detergent actually helps kind of trap some of that when the buildup of that laundry detergent in some of your clothes, especially cottons. So you want to get that out. So in order for us to deep clean and do a pre-soak of that, we want to do a 30-minute pre-soak. We're going to use white vinegar in a 1-gallon bucket of water. We're gonna soak these really good for about 30 minutes. Then when we're done with that, we're gonna move the clothes directly. You don't have to rinse them out really good. You just wring them out a little bit, put them right into your washing machine, and you're gonna wash them like normal. So let's get started. So step one, get a bucket of water, about a gallon, give or take, depending on how much you're gonna put in there. And we're gonna add 1 cup of vinegar. And vinegar is gonna break down all that dirt, bacteria, those odors. Is going to break that down. So we're going to put 1 cup of that in. Here we go. And then, always Stinky socks. Put those into there, and you're going to let them. You're basically just going to shove them down in there. Running shirts. You can still feel that's got. Especially when I'm running, I run up quite a bit during the week. I want to make sure that you get all of those odors out of there, and running undershorts and things like that. So those stretch undershorts, they always trap a lot in there. And you're just going to basically mix them in there really good. And then you're going to let them soak for 30 minutes.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so we waited 30 minutes, and now you are going to just basically move all of your clothes. Obviously they got their odor all out of them and things like that. People are always concerned about vinegar, putting vinegar in, that you're going to have a vinegar smell to your clothes. It does not happen. It washes completely clean, completely out. It's just used to really break down the dirt, bacteria, and odors that you have that were trapped inside your clothes. So use the normal laundry detergent. Don't try to add a bunch more because you want to get rid of the vinegar smell, or you think, well, I want an extra clean, so I'm going to throw in 2 cups instead of the normal what you should put in. So don't do that. So that's all we're going to do. We're going to move the clothes now from the bucket into the washing machine. You can wring them out a little bit and that sort of thing just to make it easier to move them and not get things all over the floor. And then we're going to wash them like normal. Okay, so that's how you deep clean your workout clothes. You get the nasty odor, dirt, bacteria out of them. Quick, easy steps to do that and to get them smelling good again. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Super thanks is always welcome, and we'll see you next time.